Hello guys, today in this video we are going to deploy Qadeer XD Wattsapp bot for free on Railway. This bot provides almost all type of features we want in bot. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, open Qadeer XD repository from description, star and forget. After star and forget, then scroll down and simply click on get pair code and then click on OK. Put your WhatsApp number here and connect this bot with your WhatsApp. After doing all these things, just copy your session ID and go to railway.com. This is the main interface of railway.com. You have to simply click on new and then GitHub repository and then select your bot here, like I will deploy Qadeer XD, so I will select Qadeer XD. Now our bot is deploying, so we have to add variables. There is only one variable of session ID. You have to simply click on suggested variables if this is not showing, so put your session ID here and then simply click on add and then deploy. Our new deployment is now started. You can see here we will wait until the bot is successfully deployed. Our bot is now successfully deployed. Now we will check that our bot is working or not. You can see here our bot is now connected with our WhatsApp. So we will simply type the menu and our bot is loading. Then you can see here our bot is working fine. You can use all these features very smoothly on Railway. If you deploy only one or two bots in Railway, your bot will work fast. If you deploy more bots, then your bot will work slow. So subscribe, like and share.